I made this table about 5 or 6 years ago when I was learning how to weld, and no one ever bought it. Time to make something else happen. This is reclaimed chestnut. It's my absolute favorite. This wood, this live edge, 1.5 inch thick chestnut wood was used in a house built about 150 years ago to hold up the lath that held up the plaster. That was it. You see these stripes here? That's where the lath was and the plaster went through and all those little nails that held it in. And this is where they put an outlet in later when electricity was invented. Crazy, huh? This stuff gets thrown away all the time. But I think a guitar lives in here. Let's find out. This one's outside my usual style and comfort zone, so that made it a lot of fun to make. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Support me on Patreon at patreon.com/TimSway. Go to timsway.net or newperspectivesmusic.com to learn more about my instruments and me, or just do none of that stuff. Whatever, man.